Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by picking the single benefit that sells the product and why it matters to your buyer. Once chosen, craft a 10 to 15 second hook that states the problem and the promise. This is what stops the scroll. At the same time, lock the target audience and placement so creative, pacing, and dimensions match. Make sure to sketch the opening shot and CTA. These first frames control retention and set measurable goals. Once you have the hook, build the 3-act structure. Hook, demonstrate how it works, then close with social proof and a clear CTA. You should film multiple takes with varied framing, close, medium, wide, so edits are flexible. Make sure to capture natural sound and a clean voiceover track, then plan 2 to 3 B-roll inserts that highlight use cases. When editing, pace cuts to retain energy and overlay concise on-screen text to reinforce the message. You finalize by exporting platform-specific lengths, short, mid, and full, then upload controlled variants for a /B testing. Once live, measure CTR, watch time, and cost per acquisition so you know what to scale. If performance lags, swap hooks or thumbnail first. If watch time is low, tighten the edit and bump the opening shot. Make sure to iterate weekly, keeping one change per test so you can learn precisely what moves the metrics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.